Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the testing studio, where in my hands I have the brand new, I'm calling it the blackout edition of the HS430 drone from Holy Stone. What we're gonna do in this video is we are gonna play with it. You're watching that video start to roll right now. We're gonna play with it first. I'm gonna show you all the cool stuff, the 3D flips, the follow me, the circles, anything that I could do to get into trouble with, I'm gonna show that to you now. Then I'm gonna come back, you're gonna stay here, enjoy that for a little bit, then I'm gonna come back, give you my Doug score, my review from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of this drone, and then if you're still interested and you wanna know what's in this box and the features and that kind of stuff, hang on to the end. We'll go to the past. We'll do a whole unboxing. We'll talk about its features, specifications, that kind of stuff, everything you want to know about it. But for now, let's go fly it and have some fun. All right, here it is. I'm calling this the HS430 Stealth Edition because it just looks to me like a really cool stealth fighter. Anyway, this thing is ridiculous. Holy Stone continues to update their software, their app, the way the drones work, all that. For a beginner drone, this does absolutely nothing wrong. It could be the perfect beginner drone. You've seen the video. I had a great time with it. You'll notice, that's right, you can comment if you think that I'm a wimp for having the blade guards on it, but I have found if I want to have peace in the house and not have the beautiful Miss Nicole mad at me and I'm gonna fly this in the house, I just put the blade guards on it. This is definitely a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score all day and all night. If you're looking for a beginner drone, this is definitely it. Let's go check out that unboxing. Hey, welcome to the past. You've watched it fly, you watched the review, you wanna know what's inside this box. So do I, it just came. So this is the black edition of this HS430. The specs are still the same as the other one, and this was definitely, so far, one of my favorite beginner drones that I've used, both for like the important reasons of the way it flew, features, that kind of stuff, and for me, aesthetics and design-wise, I think this drone is just cool looking. So here we go. As I open it up, I'm gonna bore you for a couple quick seconds and say, look, it comes with some tools, the USB to charge it. Here's the remote. Let me show you the remote. The remote is very, very standard, simple remote. You got your controls, your power, and your 3D tricks, your headless mode, as well as your normal mode, and your one-touch takeoff. This has throw fly, so you can start it up, throw it up in the air, and it should take off on its own, which is entertaining all by itself to do that. And let's check this out. It comes with 2 modular batteries, which run about 13 minutes each. Obviously, the more you choose to do 3D flips and follow me features and gesture control, that kind of stuff, the shorter the battery life will be. The more you just kind of hover and fly around and do those kind of things, the longer it will be. Either way, plenty of time for you to charge one while you're playing with the other and have continuous fun. I do have the manual here. I always recommend you read the manual because they like to subtly change little controls in there just to give you fits, so it is great to do that. And always follow the instructions for startup and flying in terms of calibrating and that kind of stuff. Look at how small this is. So this is one of those things, remember I said how much I like it? I love this kind of angular look. It looks somewhat like a F-111 stealth fighter or an old original Cadillac CTS PSV, something like that, that real angular look. So I think it looks really cool, looks aggressive, fun like this. This is the 1080p HD camera. It has a gravity sense, so it should be nice and easy to fly, should hover nicely. As I told you, it does the 3D flips, does fast spins, does have a follow me feature, and I think it has a circle me feature as well as gesture control. You can also control it off your cell phone in the app if you don't want to use the remote. I still find the remote easier to fly it by. I love the phone goes right here for the FPV, so you can see what you're doing. Overall, this still continues to be an outstanding starter drone. I just love the look and the style of that, and I've flown it a lot of times. It is so fun to fly this particular drone. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.